Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do e-commerce with Shopify using an easy method. First, you'll want to identify a profitable niche and the products you wish to sell. Next, create your Shopify account, choosing from plans starting around $29 per month. Then, personalize your store's appearance by selecting and customizing a theme. This initial setup is crucial for establishing your online presence and attracting your first customers. Once your basic store is ready, it's time to populate it with your offerings. Upload clear product photos and write compelling descriptions that highlight benefits. Don't forget to set up key informational pages such as About Us and Contact to build trust. Organizing products into collections, like new arrivals or bestsellers, helps customers find what they need quickly. This step is vital for a smooth shopping experience. Now, let's get your store ready for transactions. Integrate secure payment gateways like Shopify Payments or PayPal to accept credit cards and other methods. Define your shipping strategy, including rates and delivery areas, which can be flat rate or calculated. Begin marketing your store through social media or email campaigns to attract visitors. A solid marketing plan is essential for generating sales and growing your business. Before going live, conduct a comprehensive test of your entire store, ensuring everything functions perfectly. After launch, closely monitor your sales performance and gather customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Regularly analyze your website's traffic and conversion rates using Shopify's built-in analytics. Continuous optimization of your products and marketing strategies is key to sustained success and expanding your e-commerce venture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.